There's lots of new things to learn from ticks. They are really unusual. I can look at them all day. How come you are so prevalent despite having a complicated life cycle? You cannot fly, you cannot run, but you still thrive. I mean, it's a living fossil that are evolving for 300 million years. What is that robust ability to persist? That's amazing. So what you are looking at here, there are 3 life stages of ticks. These are the larval ticks. In the middle are the nymphal ticks. They are slightly bigger. These are the adults. Their actual size is like a sesame seed. We know so little about ticks, and they are second to mosquito in terms of transmitting a variety of human diseases. There are at least 500,000 new cases of Lyme disease every year in US alone. We don't have any prevention for Lyme disease. In my lab, we're trying to develop new therapeutics or preventive measures, because once you understand their basic biology, you can understand how they harbor pathogen and how can they transmit it. The tick bite are painless. They take a few microliter of blood, but the main concern is the sinister gift they left behind, the pathogen. So the bacteria that causes Lyme disease is called Borrelia burgdorferi. Borrelia has a very unique spiral-shaped body, so it can rotate like a screwdriver, and it can go forward or backward in any environment, any tissues in a body. So the bacteria can be in every organ, and that include the most secure place in our body, which is our brain. If we are treated early, Lyme disease can be controlled. But in many cases where you are not detected early enough, then you have a lot of chronic symptoms. A major part of our research focus is host response to tick bite. Tick only feed 3 times in their entire life cycle. So the feeding is a big deal for them. And they take 100 times their body weight in a single meal. The first 24 hours, the tick is piercing your skin. It's actually preparing its stomach to accommodate a large meal. Your host is also trying to counteract those processes. And that's what we're trying to understand. What is this tug of war between the host and the tick, so that we can identify some of the key elements that we can trigger in our advantage to deter tick feeding. We have shown you how we microinject dye in the tick. So each one of those are different wavelength of light. You can see that this area is only blue because it doesn't merge with the other color. So this protein is only present in that organ. So there is hope, definitely, in the next decade that we'll have better cure for tick-borne diseases. It's a very amazing creature. It's a nuisance to us, definitely, but very successful in their own evolution. And an amazing opportunity to learn from them.